Tathastu Guru is a 3 weeks mentorship program to get you guaranteed internship with a stipend within the range of 5,000 to 30,000 per month. In this program, we will assign you a mentor who have himself or herself secured an internship in the past. We will help you in creating your portfolio, your resume, your LinkedIn profile. We will provide you study material to prepare for interviews. We will take mock interviews with peers, with our team, etc. We will also help you with custom applications on top platforms like Internshala, LinkedIn. We will also refer you to our hiring partners in this program, that too for absolutely for free. There is no monetary fee before the program, during the program, after getting placed, but there is a special fee which I'll tell you at the end of this video. So if you want to know, please watch the video till the end. Hey guys, this is Achintya Kamath. In this video, I'm going to tell you about a new mentorship program that we have started, Tathastu Guru. It's a 3 weeks mentorship program, as I have already told you. We will talk about in this video how does it work, what is the eligibility criteria, who can apply, what are the skills we are offering, how you can apply, what will be the selection criteria, the process and everything, what will be the schedule, what kind of help will be provided to you from our side in this program. Everything will be told to you in details, and what is the special fee which will be disclosed to you in the end of this video. So please watch the video till the end. So before we begin the video, I would like to make a humble request. So please like the video. We are taking a like target of at least 500 like. Please like this video. You always help us achieve all our like targets. Please like this video as well, and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so far. At least 40 to 45% students I see in the analytics of this video that they are not subscribing to our channel. So please subscribe so that you get updated about all our updates, all our videos as and when we create them. So let's talk about how does it work. Let me give you a brief introduction. First, we will shortlist candidates on the basis of our eligibility criteria. We'll talk about the criteria later in this video. Then the training is divided into 3 weeks. First week we'll be working on your portfolio and your resume. We'll be analyzing your skills, what you know, what are the gaps, and then we'll be suggesting you can make this project, you will learn this concept, and we will give you resources like study from this channel, make this project, follow this tutorial, and you can work accordingly. In the second week, and we will be assigning you the specific mentor with which you can work and ask all your queries. There will be live session, there will be recorded session, a combination of both will be provided. So in third week, we are going to work for the interview preparation, because that is the most important part where we can add some value. We will give you some most commonly asked interview questions that you can prepare according to the skill you are preparing for. Once you are prepared for the interviews, you will start the mock interviews. Mock interviews can either be conducted by your peers, like fellow members of the same program, or it will be conducted by our team, by me or any other member of our team, or it can be conducted by mentors as well. So it will be a combination of all, depending of your need, how much ready you are, and what is best suited according to your needs. Okay, and the last step will be the applying for openings and referrals. It will be a combination of, we will make a custom application for you on all top platforms like Internshala, LinkedIn, etc. And also we'll be referring you to our hiring partners, and this will never end until and unless you don't get an internship. So first 3 weeks there will be training, and after that there will be referral and applying into companies, getting feedback, applying into another companies, and so on. We are going to talk about it in details when we are going to talk the schedule of 3 weeks. So let's talk about the eligibility criteria. So eligibility criteria is very simple. You just have to be 18 years and above. You can be in any year, first year, second year, third year, final year, doesn't matter, any branch, any college, any degree, you can apply. You just have to have a medium level of knowledge in that skill you are applying. Let's say you are applying for web development, front-end development. You must have medium level of knowledge. And how we are going to evaluate that? You must have at least 3 to 4 projects, 2 minor level project, 1 or 2 major level project. So in the submission form, we will be asking the link to your project, either the GitHub repo or the deployed link. Okay, so you have to submit that. On the basis of that, we will be evaluating. Let's say you are filling the Google form, you have to provide your LinkedIn profile link, your GitHub profile link, your project, deployed project, working project, screenshots. So on the basis of your work, we are going to evaluate you and shortlist the candidate. So you must have medium level knowledge, and if there will be some confusion, then there will be a follow-up interview as well, like you filled a Google form and we are not sure whether to select you or not. Then we will schedule an interview where we will be asking you some question related to that skill, and on the basis of that we will shortlist you for this program or not. Okay, so you need to have at least 3 to 4 projects prior to joining this mentorship program. Beginner to medium level communication skills, you don't have to be very good at English, but you just have to be basic to medium level. Getting an internship is not a difficult thing. You just have to be a committed person, self-starter. You have to study a lot on your own. Not everything can be taught by some other person. You have to explore a lot of things on your own. So you have to be a self-starter, committed and a dedicated person. So this is a simple criteria that we are following for this program. If you have any query, let us know in the comment section. Next, we talk about the roles we are offering. We are offering 3 roles right now. One is web development. In this, we will be taking front end, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js, etc. And complete full stack, mean stack and merge stack both will be considered in this. Second is data science and all the profiles related to it. That is data analyst, data engineer, and all the profiles which come regarding ML engineer is also there. So all these profiles will be considered, and this is the combined which we are taking forward. Third is the Android profile. In this, we are going to take all 3: Java, Kotlin and Flutter. If you are belonging to any 3 of this, you can apply. If you are from React Native mobile developer, you can also apply. We will be looking for that also, because there are lots of internships which are looking for that skill set. So for Android, we will be taking React Native as well. Let me add it in that. I missed it. Okay. So if you want to apply via this, you can also apply for that as well. So these are the only 3 roles available for us right now, not Java, not Python, because I don't find that much internship openings for them. Because if we see there is enough demand for internship site for this from companies, then we will definitely add in later cohorts, but right now it is not there. How to apply? You have to register here. A Google form will be added. It will be a simple form. You have to add your name, your year, your college, your degree, your etc., your LinkedIn profile. So make sure you add a LinkedIn profile. If you don't have, create one. Create a proper LinkedIn profile, and then you have to add at least 3 to 4 projects, because unless you don't mention a good project, then you will not get a call. And also one thing, not everyone will get a call or return message from us. You will not get any email. We will contact you back on WhatsApp only. Okay, so please don't say कि सर मुझे मेल नहीं आया, I didn't get any mail. We will only contact those students whom we find good enough on WhatsApp. No email or no call will be given from our side to any other students. Only those students who are shortlisted for next round will be contacted via us on WhatsApp only. Okay, so make sure you fill your form properly. You just have to provide your basic details, your LinkedIn profile and 3 to 4 project links. You can also check this video, link is there, which will be added once I create this video. We are going to take only 30 students per skills. So 30 for web development, including front end, back end, full stack, 30 for data science, and 30 for all the profiles of Java, Kotlin, React Native and Flutter. Okay. Latest cohort will start from 7th of Feb, so that we are targeting, like we will finish it in 3 weeks of Feb, so that students will be ready for applying for summer internship for June, July and ending in August. Okay, so this is the time, February, March, April, where a lot of hiring will be happening for summer internship. So this is the best time to start this cohort. So if you are looking for some internship, you have the skill knowledge, you have the projects etc., you just need guidance, then this is the best program for you to apply. Let's talk about the schedule in detail. In the week 1, we are going to talk about the portfolio and your resume, and we are going to analyze your profile. So it will begin by orientation session, giving you the exact details, how it's going to work, what you have to do. So then we are going to do the individual profile analysis. We are going through your profile, tell you your strengths, your weakness, like you must be strong in some skill and weak in other, and then we'll tell you these are the gaps, or we'll look at your projects like this one is weak, this one is strong, or we'll give you some ideas like please make this project, this will be good for your resume, portfolio, or you can make some other kind of project. So these kind of ideas will be given to you, and then we'll work on creating your final portfolio with like 3 to 4 good projects, your final resume with everything intact in it, added properly. Okay, so this will be covered in week 1, so that you are ready, what you need, what you have, everything is with you. In week 2, we'll be giving you full idea of how hiring happens for an internship role in the skill that you have selected. We'll be assigning you a mentor that will look over 5 to 10 students or even more, because depending on the need, what is the requirement of students, you will be understanding how hiring happens, what a company expect from an intern, from a student. Okay, what all skills you need to have. You will get a first person experience from the person, from a mentor who has actually done that internship in the fast. Okay, you will get detailed knowledge what skills are required. If something is missing, you can study about it. We'll provide you resource. Okay, so this will be the time that you can complete your gaps which was left in the week 1. Almost everything will be covered. This will be like going again and making sure nothing is left. Okay, in week 3 we are going to start the interview preparation. During session, a detailed session will be conducted for every skill, like data science, web. Separate session will be conducted and will be telling you like these concepts you have to study. These will be asked in the interview. We will provide you curated list of questions like these will be asked. These are commonly asked. Please study them. Please watch this video. Please watch that tutorial. Please go through this blog, etc. These things will be provided to you. Then 1 or 2 mock interviews will be conducted, some by your peers, by our team, by me or my colleagues, or it will be by some mentors which you have assigned. So a combination of this will be done. So this is how your 3 weeks will be completed. Once your 3 weeks are completed and you have completed all these steps, then your application of companies will be started. We will be making custom applications on the basis of your profile and resume on Internshala, LinkedIn, Angel.com, because these are the great platforms. So many openings come just because students are not able to apply properly. They are not able to optimize their profile properly. They are not able to get the response because we are professionals. We know how to apply. So we will properly manage your applications and apply there, and you will see कि यार सेम प्रोफाइल सेम रिज्यूमे पे पहले रिप्लाई नहीं आता था, हमारे अप्लाई करने के बाद रिप्लाई आने लगेगा, कॉल आने लगेगा. So this is what's going to change, and we will also refer you in our partner companies with which we have direct contacts for hiring. Okay, so that will start your interviews will start. You will start getting feedback like what you lacked, what you can work upon, so you can go back and study those topics. And this process will keep happening. There is no limit until and unless we don't get you a offer. So our guarantee is that we get you one offer at least in the range of 5,000 to 30,000 per month. If you reject that offer, like if you don't accept it within 1 week or 2 weeks, okay, then we are not going to refer you more. Okay, we will stop referring you. So our guarantee is up to at least one offer. If you want multiple offers, you are a good student, you want a higher internship, higher stipend internship, then we will definitely refer you, but our guarantee is of at least one offer. So this is a detailed info we have provided. Apart from this, if you have any specific query, then you can let us know in the comment section and on my WhatsApp as well. So now we talk about the special fee that we have been talking about in this whole video. So in this program you don't have to pay any monetary fee. नहीं देनी, कोई पैसा नहीं देना है प्रोग्राम से पहले, ड्यूरिंग द प्रोग्राम और आफ्टर गेटिंग प्लेस. IS से भी कुछ नहीं है, नथिंग, नो मनी हैज़ टू बी पेड. सो आपको क्या करना है, वंस यू गेट प्लेस यू हैव टू रिटर्न द फेवर लाइक वी हेल्प यू गेटिंग प्लेस्ड इन एनी इंटर्नशिप. यू हैव टू ऑल्सो हेल्प फ्यूचर students in future cohorts to get placed. So what you have to do, once you get placed in an internship and you do for like 2-3 months, तो उसके 3 महीने बाद you have to become a mentor in a future cohort. So very simple, there are mentors who will be helping you get internship in a company, and once you get an internship, after 3 months of that you become a mentor in for different set of batch of students, right? So very fair, you help somebody helps you, in return you help other students. So this is like karma आप अच्छा करोगे and you will also get some good karma in the back. So you have to be a mentor for at least one cohort. आपको एक cohort के लिए तो होना ही पड़ेगा. If you want to be beyond that, then it's your choice. We will not force you. If you want to be continuously be associated with this program, then it's your choice. So this is a special fee. No money you have to pay. You have to just become a mentor for at least one cohort. You can also become beyond that as well. It's your choice. Okay, so this is a special fee we wanted to talk about. I hope I have given you all the information that you need regarding this program. If you have any queries, please let us know in the comment section. This is a humble initiative to solve the problems of guidance, lack of guidance to students. Like they have the skills, they have the projects, they have everything in place, they put in a lot of effort, still they are not able to get the internship. So we want to fill this gap, and I hope this program will be very helpful to you. So please apply for the latest cohort. We keep starting new cohort every month, so please check in the Google form which is mentioned in the description, and let us know if you have any queries.